do you know where we're going in?
Yeah, more or less. I think the river's going to cut in front of us here. All right, you want me to go down?
Go ahead.
I'll go down farther and let you take.
That's nuts. No, go ahead. Go here. I'll keep walking if I have to. I gotta tie shit on.
No. No. He's there.
Is that even a trout?
Yeah. I think. Wait a minute, is it? No.
It's not.
I think it's a chub. Oh no. Alright. What do you take, buddy? Took the skater tot. Look at that guy. It's not getting any better.
Right?
Yeah. No. Okay. We got some action over here. Oh! I'm seeing some top beats here on a skater top. A little foam top fly. It's raining for a few hours. They are eating something off the surface. We don't know what. They're not eating what we have. So, throwing the kitchen sink at them. Ryan. All right.